Hi guys, Rio here. Okay, so this is kind of a little less an unboxing as it is an ungooing. I don't know what kind of mess this is gonna make, you guys, but I found one of these at the store last week, and I've been kind of sitting on here waiting to open it, and I figure I might as well open this like on camera in case anybody wants to get these things and doesn't want to make a mess with them. So, what I have here is the Stay Puft Marshmallow Mini Puff. Now I'm pretty sure that nothing in this can is edible. I'm imagining inside of it is probably a lot like, remember when these, if anyone who's of a certain age remembers the cans of ectoplasm, right? And you'd buy the ectoplasm and you had to dig through the gooey goo, and then somewhere in the bottom of the gooey goo was like a little ghost figure, right? So I'm kind of thinking this is going to be a similar concept. That somewhere underneath of a bunch of gooey goo is going to be a mini puffed, right? Now, according to what it said on the box when I bought it, is that there's apparently 6 different little mini puffed characters that you can collect. Now, of course, any of you, if you haven't seen Afterlife yet, I'm sure you've seen in the previews the little mini Stay Puft Marshmallow Men, right? So cute. Well, that's what what's in here is apparently one of those. I don't imagine it's very big, but I guess we're gonna find out. So like I said, absolutely nothing in this can is edible. I'm going to reiterate that. Nothing in here is food. Okay? No. But we're going to find out what's in here, and let's see what big of a mess it makes. So I'm ready to find out what we end up with. I'm on a glass top bar here, so hopefully this shouldn't be weird. So, oh, hello, Evie. So we have Stay Puft Marshmallows, Ghostbusters, Mini Puft Surprise. Just says compound, 42 grams, bunch of warnings, stuff and things, and made in China. And there's a little thing here on the label. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see that, but I guess it shows little silhouettes of the different ones that are available for whichever one you get. So I guess if you're collecting them, you'll know what you got and what you don't, and what's still out there. All right, so here we go. Now, I actually did cut the plastic seal on it already, so I'm cheating a little bit because it is done in sort of like a shrink wrap. Let me just be smart, because I just don't know how messy this thing is going to be. So let's just let's just be careful, shall we? Okay, here we go. So, oh yeah, all right. Alrighty then. Here we go. It's gonna be messy. You can already see there's some yeah, we got some Mr. Stay Puft leavings here on the lid. So this should be fun. Oh boy, yeah. All right. The tries at home, kids. I'm a professional. Okay, so take a look real quick. See, there's like a little bag here. So I'm guessing this mess is sealed in a little bag of some sort. Well, we'll find out right now, I guess. Here we go. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, so this is the goo in question. Again, what I said about the cans of ectoplasm, right? So again, look down in there. You can see there's a whole bunch of marshmallow spoo in the bottom of the jar there. We'll play with that in a minute, I think. Because if it's anything like the ectoplasm, you can probably like just sit there and like play with it, right? Okay. So let's okay. So all right. Yeah, definitely for ages of 5 to 10. Okay, so am I good? Oh boy. Oh, okay, look, the plastic comes open pretty easy, so let's just let's see what little guy we got, shall we? Oh boy. Okay, it's a little bag. Okay, I see. All right, hold on, you guys. I think I'm gonna have to go get a sharp object so I can cut this open. So unless my partner here has something sharp they can hand me, we'll cut this open and figure out what's in there. There we go. All right, don't try this at home, kids. It's, well, it's sealed for my protection at any rate. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Wow. Okay. There we are. Guys. They weren't kidding. Okay. So here's our little dude. Ta-da! Right? There's our little dude. It's a mystery butt. So we'll figure out what's in there. I don't have to cut this open. This opens right up. So here we go. Here's our little guy. Aw. Okay. So looks like he's one of the guys with one of the little toothpicks. So there he is. There's our little dude. Okay, so he's one of the 6. According to the jar. Yep, okay, there he is. He's the second one. It's on the list there, if you can see the little silhouettes. How well you can really see all this stuff. It's all kind of tiny, but he's right on there. And then, so here's our little guy. We'll try to make sure we get a good shot of him. Let's get a good shot of him somehow. Let's, here we go. How about that? Nice little background. You can see him pretty good. So this is basically the size of them, apparently. And so you get your little guy, and he has his little bag. And then, all right, I would be remiss if I did not play with the stuff. So we're going to play with the stuff a little bit. Oh, wow. And actually, the consistent, okay. It feels a little bit like the old, like the ectoplasm stuff that they used to have. It kind of has the same consistency, but actually, I'll tell you the truth. It is actually kind of a lot like melted marshmallow fluff. I have no idea what application this has in real life, but it's kind of fun. You just sort of get to make a mess, I guess. This will be like, don't get it in your hair, don't rub it into the carpet, One of those things I see parents getting really upset about somewhere down the line, you guys, because, you're going to find this stuff rubbed into the fur on the dog. This is, it's like chewing gum, almost, honestly. The consistency is kind of like chewing gum. It's, but then it does have that marshmallow-y thing, like, totally. Oh, man, this stuff is messy as hell. This is great. Okay, so for those of you that want to collect these little guys, I did this for you, so you're welcome. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. But it's kind of fun stuff. I'm not 100% what application it may have, but wow, that's so stupid messy. I don't think I'd get this for little kids, you guys. I really just don't think it's gonna be in your best interest. You're gonna be like wire brushing this out of the dog's hair for like a week. See a lot of kids having their head shaved because of this stuff getting stuck in their hair. Could be a thing, you guys. But anyway, so that was fun. So here you go. We got the little guy. We'll just show the little guy again. So you can see him. So that's the little guy. You go through all of this to get him. And well, the good news is it seems like his stuff comes off pretty easy. It's almost like, remember when you were kids, you guys, and you used to do like the thing with like the Elmer's glue? You'd like wrap it on your hands. You're bored in class with the Elmer's glue, peel it off when it dries. It's kind of the same thing. Because look, see, it comes right off. So maybe it's not as terrible of a mess as it seems. But so there you are, guys. We opened up our little Stay Puft Marshmallow Mini Puft surprise. So those of you that are trying to collect them, that's what they are. And yeah, they're really kind of stupid cute. So there you go, guys. There's my ungooing of the Mini Puft. So thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna go wash my hands now, I think. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.